Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Toyota Prius hybrid battery using an easy method. First, ensure your car is safely parked and turned off. You'll need to locate the hybrid battery pack, typically found in the rear of the vehicle. Always wear insulated gloves and safety glasses to protect yourself from high voltage. This method focuses on addressing common issues without complex disassembly, making it accessible for many owners. To begin, you'll need a few basic tools: a 10 mm wrench, a multimeter, and a battery terminal cleaner. Start by disconnecting the 12-volt auxiliary battery in the trunk to ensure no power flows through the system. Next, locate the orange service plug on the hybrid battery pack and remove it. This crucial step completely de-energizes the high-voltage system, ensuring your safety throughout the process. The easy fix often involves cleaning the module terminals. Corrosion can increase resistance, leading to poor performance. Use a wire brush and terminal cleaner to ensure good contact. Then, use your multimeter to check the voltage of each individual battery module. If you find a module significantly lower than others, it might be a candidate for reconditioning with a dedicated charger, which can often restore its capacity. After completing the fix, reassemble everything in reverse order, ensuring all connections are secure, and the service plug is reinserted. Regularly inspect your hybrid battery cooling fan for any dust or debris, as a clean fan is vital for battery longevity. For more tips on maintaining your vehicle and managing your finances, check the description below for a link to a great book and other helpful deals. This proactive approach can significantly extend your Prius's hybrid battery life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.